Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Economics Study Point. In this video I will discuss derivation of supply curve of the form given total cost function. And you can see question is here. Suppose a firm in a perfectly competitive market has a cost function given as C equal to 50 cube plus 1 by 4 cube square. Determine the supply curve of this form. In this video we will learn how to derive supply curve of a form with the given total cost function. Before starting solution of these questions, I request you, if you come first time at my channel, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon for all notifications so that my latest video notification will come to you easily. Now start solution. First of all, total cost function is a given here. C equal to 50 cube plus 1 by 4 cube square. First task to get MC, that is the marginal cost. How MC is calculated? Just taking derivative of cost function with respect to cube, we can get marginal cost. Okay, here marginal, just taking the derivative of total cost with respect to cube, we got 50 plus q by 2 is the marginal cost. Setting marginal cost equal to P, since it is a perfectly competitive market where equilibrium occur at the point where MR equal to AR. AR is also known as a P, that is the price. MC equal to SC. Because it is a perfectly competitive market, MC equal to P. Substituting the value we got for MC, 50 plus Q by 2 equal to P. Solve for cube, we got cube equal to 2P minus 100. S, that is the supply function, which is the function of price P equal to 2P minus 100. It is a equation number 1. Now next task is to get ABC, average variable cost. We can see the total cost function given in this question involving no fixed cost. That's the why CY cube yield average variable cost, that is ABC. Okay, cost is a divided by cube, we got 50 plus 1 by 4 cube. For minimum ABC, okay, minimum ABC, which is the function of cube, two conditions must be fulfilled. First order condition, derivative of ABC with respect to output cube equal to 0, and second order derivative of ABC with respect to cube greater than 0. But here first order condition, when we take derivative of ABC with respect to cube, we get 1 by 4. Okay, it means ABC, average variable cost, has a stationary value, neither maximum value nor minimum value. Now ABC, which is the function of cube, equal to 1 by 4. Substituting the value of ABC cube equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 1. Cube equal to 2P minus 100. Substitute what value we got for cube equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 equal to 2P minus 100. Solve for P. We get P equal to 50.125. Supply function. Form supply function is given by SP, that is the supply function, which is the function of P equal to 2P minus 100 if P is greater than equal to 50.125, and supply, which is the function of P, equal to 0 if price is less than 50.125. And I hope everybody got the thing I discuss under this video. Thanks for watching my video till end. Jai Hind.